I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by unlocking your Motorola and opening settings from the app drawer. Scroll to find Digital Wellbeing and tap it to open your usage dashboard. Look for the main chart showing screen time and tap it to expand details. If you see 3 vertical dots, tap them to reveal additional options. Choose Manage Data to view per app usage and history controls. This screen gives direct access to local data stored on your device. You will delete history from here, not from Google servers. On the Manage Data screen, pick the apps you want to clear. To remove everything, choose All Apps or use the checkbox next to each app. Tap Clear App History or Delete Usage History to prompt a confirmation dialog. The confirmation lists what will be removed, like screen time and unlock counts. If you only need to reset one app, select that app and then clear its history individually. Take a moment to review selected items before confirming deletion. When the confirmation appears, tap Delete or Clear to proceed with removal. Understand that this action cannot be undone and the history will be erased locally. Wait for the process to finish. It usually completes in a few seconds. If any data remains visible, restart your Motorola and reopen Digital Wellbeing to verify results. Optionally export or note important numbers like daily totals before deleting for future reference. After verification, your Digital Wellbeing history should show zeroed or reset usage entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.